Meditation for gratitude. Sit in a comfortable position, relaxing your muscles. Breathe in deeply through your nose and sit up straight. Slowly breathe out and relax your shoulders. Bring awareness to your breath as you inhale and exhale. With each breath, feel gratitude rising in you for that breath. Every breath is precious and valuable. You are alive, which is a wonder. Feel that wonder and gratefulness as you breathe in and out. Now bring awareness to your heartbeat. Notice its quiet rhythm. Feel gratefulness for each breath. Your heart is truly miraculous, pulsing with life. Sit for a few moments in appreciation of your heart. Now give attention to your body. Your body truly is a wondrous thing. Feel the shape of your body with all its contours, fingers, toes, eyes, ears, skin. Truly a wonder of nature. Lungs breathing, heart beating, a body that can move and feel and do incredible things. A mind that is aware. Let your very existence cause gratitude to swell within you. Grateful for breath. Grateful for heartbeats. Love for your wonderful body. When you feel yourself drifting from gratitude, come back to the wonder of breath, the marvel of your heart, the magic of your body. You are here, present at this moment, and that's a wonderful thing. Spend a few moments feeling the gratitude, enjoying its positivity. When you are ready, bring your attention back to your surroundings and arise.